What's up? It's your girl Bad Gal Ree, and I'm back with another video. So today I was doing some box braids, the jumbo box braids on my hair, and I'm like, let me just get the camera on and record. Might as well show my viewers how I do the box braids, because I did get some questions about them on a few videos back. So I do the ponytail method. So I put my hair in like a bunch of pigtails, bunch of ponytails, part of it. I'm gonna show you guys that. So what I use is the 85-inch Remy natural Yaki braiding hair, and it was $5.99 at my local beauty supply store. And the reason why I use the 85 inches because it saves me money on buying like 16 packs of braiding hair. So I bought 3 packs of these, and I've already started one. So the products you'll need are rubber bands, some oil, edge control, and a comb. And for my edges I use a hair toothbrush. I kind of tug at it so it's not all even at the bottom. So I taunt the hair. Get all uneven so that once you get to the end of your braid, it gets smaller, slimmer, so that it won't be as bulky when you try to burn the ends, because all it's gonna do is unravel. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So your end should look something like this. Nice and uneven. So then I'm gonna take a ponytail. I'm just going to wrap it like that. And begin braiding. And I am not a professional. I just literally YouTubed the video and learned how to do it. So I figured I'll record my video so that someone else could possibly view it and learn the steps and details as well. So it's really easy. You don't have to be a stylist. Like literally just step by step, just wing it. If you know how to braid, you can do this style. So then I'm going to take some hair and split it and add it with my hair. You're literally going all the way down. All the way down to your outer hair, of course. And if you run into some pieces that's shorter than the other, you're just going to add more hair in as you go. And braid all the way down. Sorry, it's too long. I gotta hold it down. I can't show y'all the end and to the end. So you see how it's smaller, smaller. Then when I get to the point where I want to stop, I'm going to take my lighter or torch and burn it. And roll it together. Scissors and cut better than I did, but if you look a little raggedy, just light it and pinch it together and it should look like this. So right now I'm just gonna speed it up and do a couple more, and then when I get to the front I'm gonna show you in detail again, so keep on watching. think it took me a total of 2 hours. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So once again, you take the ends of the hair, make it uneven. Take a section, put it in between the two, and braid. Add layer with yours and continue to braid all the way down. And so that I keep track of how long it is, I'm just going to put one of the braids in front so that my braids are all even. And this style typically takes me 2 hours to do. And it costs me $20 for the hair. So yeah. Okay, so this is the final look. They go to about right under my breast area. Have to add some blonde pieces because I'm a little rigid. No, but so it took 4 packs of the 85-inch Yaki hair. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you share this video with your friends. Thumbs up, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.